It was a bright Saturday morning when Liam zipped up his jacket and whistled for his golden retriever, Sunny. As always, Sunny came bounding out the door, tail wagging like a metronome on fast forward. Today was their hiking day, and both of them were ready for an adventure. They set off toward the nearby woods, the crisp scent of pine and earth greeting them as they entered the trail. Birds chirped from the trees above while squirrels darted across the path, sending Sunny into happy, bouncing excitement. Liam laughed. "You'll never catch one, Sunny." The trail led them to a hidden meadow, where Liam threw a stick and Sunny chased it with uncontainable glee. After some running and rolling in the grass, they sprawled out on a sunny patch, watching clouds drift lazily across the sky. Suddenly, Sunny perked up. His ears twitched. Then he barked and sprinted toward a bush. "Sunny, wait, what is it?" Liam ran after him and discovered a small baby deer tangled in some vines. Carefully, he helped free the creature, while Sunny stood by gently, as if knowing this was serious. Once the fawn scampered away into the forest, Liam knelt and gave Sunny a big hug. "You're a hero today, boy." As the sun began to set, they made their way home, muddy, tired, but filled with the joy of a shared adventure and a good deed done together.